Mechanic tail insertion tester T824. The tester can pass the diode resistance, quickly determine whether the tail plug part is good or bad, improve repair efficiency, adopt large color display, the data at a glance, aluminum alloy structural design, high hardness, and better feeling. One end is the Apple's tail plug detection. One end is Type-C pigtail detection. Charging port on the left. Subsequent upgrades for the instrument can also be upgraded later. Built-in large 500 mAh battery for durability. The button on the right side of the fuselage. Toggles up and down can also be pressed downward. Short press, the buzzer of the machine is on. Press and hold for 3 seconds. The buzzer beeps twice to turn off the machine. Toggle up and down for retesting. Measure the different ports. Screen automatically rotates for easy watching. Plugging in the tester will automatically detect. Normal values are shown in green. Red font indicates P-N junction abnormalities may vary slightly depending on Type-C definition. OL means infinity. 0.00 means short circuit. G stands for ground. Note that the product supports power on and power off state detection. And the power off detection data is more accurate.